Hi, I'm Nick Robbins. I'm actually a product manager with NSX ALB Balancer. That's my day job. For Hands-On Lab, I was brought in to help create the lab so that we could try and train people up on how to use our product. It's really all about trying to explain how our product works as a load balancer. We do a lot of automation integration. It's kind of a software-defined platform, so we don't have to rely on a lot of legacy architecture, and we will go over all of the different ways we can integrate with your vSphere NSX infrastructure in order to enable those automations. And kind of just show you how you can go from 0 to 60 load balancing your applications without a lot of effort. So the typical user would be one of your network infrastructure engineers, probably somebody who's been responsible for managing your load balancing hardware previously. And then one of the things they're going to get out of the lab is understanding how they can use our product to automate a lot of that functionality. So you need a lot less hands-on, labor-intensive load balancing deployment than you would have needed before because of the things we can do with vSphere and with NSX to automatically deploy some of that stuff like security groups or pool members and things like that. But we have a very dynamic lab that I tend to update probably more often than most people would like to hear. But that way I can introduce new capabilities throughout the year without having a fixed development cycle. As we add new features, I can add new features to the lab without having to basically break it open and start from scratch. You don't have to worry about breaking anything you have because it is a sandbox. As soon as you get in there and you mess it up and everything turns red, you delete it and start over and it'll be green again. Very easy, very painless way to learn how to do load balancing with us. Get in there, get your feet wet, get your hands dirty, break it as much as you can, learn the different integrations. Have fun with it.